Interested in cryptocurrency, but don't have the time or experience to trade actively? With Tolfex, you can get started with Suhulat and without unnecessary complexity. Tolfex is a fully automated platform designed to simplify the entire investment process. Using modern technology, all transactions are executed automatically, so there's no need to constantly monitor the market or manage trades manually. This significantly reduces your daily workload. Setup takes just a few minutes, after which the system runs on its own. By registering through the link in the description, you gain access to all features along with exclusive bonuses. Tolfex is more than just a crypto trading tool. It's a comprehensive solution for smart asset management. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, the platform offers a simple and intuitive interface without complicated steps. The built-in AI technology operates 24/7, monitoring the market and analyzing price movements in real time. Based on this data, the system automatically adjusts strategies and executes trades at optimal moments. You simply set your goals and risk level, while the system continuously manages and optimizes your portfolio. A welcome bonus is automatically activated when you sign up BAMTSFT, the dedicated link. One of its key strengths is its self-learning AI. Unlike traditional bots that rely on fixed rules, this system adapts to market changes and continuously improves its strategies. This allows for greater accuracy even in volatile market conditions. It acts like a personal analyst, making rational decisions without emotional bias. In terms of security, the platform maintains high standards. It complies with KYC and AML regulations and uses advanced encryption technologies to protect your data and assets. All data is stored in a secure cloud environment. Registration is simple, and customer support is available, making it easy even for beginners to get started. Note: bonuses are only available when registering. Cheras the specified link. Tolfex is designed for long-term investing rather than quick profits. It's ideal for those seeking steady growth, portfolio diversification, and more efficient investment management. The current offer is available for a limited time, so early registration is recommended. The technology behind the platform is based on advanced models that process large amounts of data in real time, including historical prices, market sentiment, and the latest trends. This enables consistent, informed decision-making even during significant market fluctuations. Investing in cryptocurrency doesn't have to be complicated. Leave the technical side to Tolfex and focus on your goals.